Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Guti-Baba and today I'm gonna show you some solutions from BDSec CTF 2023 and all about networking. So let's just begin. Okay, so here they have given a file and here is it, and they told that what is the server and the attacker IP. Okay, so here what to do is just I'll find for http dot request that method is equal I'll just use get. Okay, so here you can see robot.txt. so here if I just show this ethernet, then you can see here is no, not internet protocol. Okay, so here destination and source IP. So source IP address, the request was sent from this IP, and the host IP was this one. So the flag will be BDSec, and then what was it, 1.5. okay, 1.5 and 1.7. okay, so let's copy it and paste it here, and here's the flag, and here the second one is host name. Okay, so what's the host name of the server? Okay, so here I'll just find port object http, and here you can see the host name, so nanomadsolutions.com. okay, so BDSec nanomadsolution.com, or s maybe. Okay, so paste it, and here it was. Okay, and at first I'll show this one. Okay, so BDSec path. What's the path of the admin endpoint? Okay, so admin endpoint, here I'll see if there is any kind of admin thing. Okay, so okay, wait. The frame contains post admin, and here it is, admin panel. Okay, so I need full path app admin panel. This is okay, so the flag will be BDSec and /app/admin panel. Okay, so this is it, and after that I'll just find for port. Suppose, so what is the L port? Means local port of the server. Okay, so local port for this one I'll just, okay, before that I'm showing you the other ones. Okay, here suppose, okay, root flag. What is the root flag? So here and the others root access, all I just need is root, so I need to search for it. Suppose frame contains root. Okay, and here I'm not seeing anything good, by the way. Let's minimize this, and query, here is nothing I can see. Okay, let's search for bash. That I got a shell, web shell. Where is it? Bash. Oh, here. So I got something bash commands. So I'll just follow the TCP stream, and here you can see I got something. So if I find here, many problem solutions are in this thing. So they asked for root flag. So root flag, it should be here somewhere. Let's search for flag. Okay, flag, file flag, cat flag. Okay, cat root. You are supposed to get this flag networking here. You nailed it, hacker. So it is the root flag. BDSec and this one. Oh, sorry. This is the root permission or root flag. Here it is. Here. What root flag? Okay. They mistook something. Let's see. Oh, there is an extra space. Okay. Okay, so this is it. I'm just pasting it here. Okay, let's find for the others. Suppose root access. Okay, so how the hacker got root access? Okay, before that, root permission. What binary had the root permission? Okay, so here all I need to search for the root. The root. Okay. The directories. Okay, let's find for who am I. Okay. Okay, here you can see who am I root, and before that it was the user only. Okay, so here you can see some cat nodes and install vim has root permission for all users. So what binary had root permission? The answer is vim. Okay, so here I got this, and the other one is also here, and that is sudo vim c bin /sh. Okay, so I'll just search it. I'll just replace the spaces and then replace with dashes. So here is the dash, and if I BDSec, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, and I'll just submit. Oh sorry, root permission. I had root access here command. Okay, so this is the command, and so this is okay with this, and now I'll just search for port. Okay, so I'll just see it. Before that, let me see if there is something here left or not. Okay, by the way, I'll just minimize that. And here about the port. Okay, port. Here you can see this one. For this one, I'm getting the port 1337, and it's the local port of this server. Wait. So let's try that one. BDSec 13337. Let's copy it here. Okay, and the users, there are 6 users. You will count it on yourself. BDSec 6. Oh damn. Okay, so this is all about the problems, and the other steps. Some of them I haven't completed yet. And the version, it was not matching with mine one. Here you can see there is a version I got, and that is 22.04.1 Ubuntu. I don't know this is the Linux version or not, because after submitting this it's not working here. BDSec Ubuntu, it's not working, so maybe it is something else. Okay, so now I'm gonna show compromised account, this one. Okay, so which user was compromised, what was the username and the password. Okay, so for this I have to find this. Frame contains password. Oh, there is a lot of stuff, so wait okay, and the last one. Oh, there is a payload injected, and the last one, and after that logged in. Okay, so if I follow this TCP stream, here you can see login successful. Okay, so there is root. This is the admin account, so I'll just copy this password, and it was this compromised admin account. What is the admin password? This is it. BDSec this. Okay, so this is done. And for the compromised account, if I want to find it out, then I'll search for this again, and here the last one. Yeah, it was that. Okay, so it's better to search with login successful. Here 4 IDs I got, and one of these will be the answer. So let's find let's try this one. For the TCP, and this is Tariq. Yeah, this is it. Tariq is the username, and the password is Tariq@nanomet. So compromised account, BDSec Tarek, and the password. Okay, submit. Okay, and so now let's try this on root flag. What is the root flag? Okay, so I have to find the root. So frame contains, okay, bash. Let's try this one. And here these are the CLI data, and here not this one. Okay, let's try this. It's not. I just read the flag. Okay, php admin bin bash. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, it might be. Okay, so at last, after getting root permission, he execute this commands file flag, cat flag, and here you can see something like flag. So just read it yourself, and this will be the flag guarantee. This is it. So this was all I got, and a little bit I couldn't solve yet. So that's all for today. Thanks.